How to create a new WhatsApp group. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If it's your first time, my name is Atutaka. So you go to your WhatsApp, and on those three dots at the right hand corner, the extreme right hand corner of the screen, you click those three dots, and then they'll bring for you options, and you choose the one for new group. Okay, so when you click into the new group option, then it will bring for you contacts from your mobile phone or from your contact list, the people that you should add. Or you can, if you have another number, you can add your number, your other number first, because for as long as there are two participants, it's enough to be a group. Then you can keep on adding other members or requesting them with a link to enter or to join. So I was just searching my other number real quick, and I just don't want to add people to the group when they really don't, I want them to choose to join the group. Okay, so I want to send them the link so they can join. So the only way I could do this is by adding my other number to the group. So it is me using this number and then the other number. So it's, as you can see, it goes forward. Excuse me, guys. And you want to put the group name. Excuse me. You have to put the group name, the photo if you have, and participants. It's one. Okay, one participant. So I'm choosing a group name called True Self, and it was a suggestion by someone. They wanted me to create a group talking about dating, relationships, and marriage. Okay, and it has been on my mind, but I was like, later. Okay, some of the things, we just pushed. You have the idea, but you'll be like postponing next year. So by the days, check out my other channel, Atutaka, where we talk about dating tips, marriage, and relationships the God's way. Okay, if you want to check it out, if you'd like to see content from there, you can go subscribe to Atutaka YouTube channel. All right, so if you don't have if you don't have an immediate picture or image that you want to use as a profile, you can just use these colors. You can choose any of those colors: blue, red, pink, yellow, orange, pink, okay, cyan, okay. And then I'm just choosing a heart. Okay, so if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I really love to read from you, and I appreciate when you ask questions, and I'm sure you can be sure that I will answer your questions if I'm well acquainted with them. Okay, so True Self, here we have a profile picture, a pink circle, and a blue heart. I love pink and blue. Okay, then you go to group permission. So participants can, this is what the participants can. Do you want participants to edit the group settings? This includes the name, icon, description, disappearing message timer, and keeping and unkeeping messages. You don't want to enable that. Okay, it's really up to you. It depends on what type of group that you're opening. Okay, so again, if you want to give the group members permission to send messages, you can turn that on or off. You've seen WhatsApp groups where you're not supposed to send any messages. Okay, you're not allowed to. It means the group admin disabled the send messages icon, okay, in the group permission settings. So again, do you want your members to add other participants? Do you want, like, if a member has a participant that is interested, can they be able to add? Or you like, no, it's only you who is supposed to approve. So if you turn this one on, then you'll have to first approve. But this one is a free group, anyone can join. It's not like, oh my god, first pay and what. No, join for as long as you observe order. As you can see, guys, sorry, we have to get this going. I have so many drafts in this phone, so I have to get them out. They were lacking voiceovers, so the cough is taking long to heal. Okay, true self. As you can see, that's the group. It's creating the group, and that's it. You created the group true self, and when you open, where is our profile picture? It has not come. It's not showing, or it has not yet synced. Okay, I think it will show after. I did this. I think the connection was not okay. The connection was not good. Yeah, so it failed to update. How am I here? The group participants are two, because me and my other number, we are two. So I was wondering, why is it showing one? I think it has not yet synced, right? Alright, so you want to see if you want to turn on disappearing messages or turn them off or whatever, any settings. Then the group description. Welcome to our community where we are true to ourselves, be courteous and respectful to each other. Normalize learning and commence the best version of yourself. Okay, again the blue hat. Okay, so the group description is visible to participants of this group and people invited to this group. So they'll be able to, if someone is invited or you send them a link, they'll first be able to preview the group before they can choose whether they want to join or no. Turn down the invitation. Alright, so as you can see, I was just editing the description. And as you can see, I added something here. I think I added something here after. Yeah, I added a few lines. You want people not to over ask themselves, why are we here? In this group, what do we do? What are we supposed to do? Guys, please, whenever you join a WhatsApp group, make use of the description menu. Check out what the group is talking about. Some people just come in and they start asking as if they can't read. Why are we here? What is this group all about? Check the description, please, okay? Don't be nagging. Okay, so then here's the link. You can decide to copy the link or share the link or reset the link or get the QR code. So members can join your group with either the QR code or the link you share to them. And have you ever joined, followed the link on WhatsApp and they tell the link is expired? It's because the admin changed the group, the link, the invitation link. Alright, so again here I was turning on disappearing messages because sometimes you want to save people's space. Okay, at least setting the messages to disappear after 7 days or 90 days or okay, 24 hours is quick because some people may not have time to come and check in WhatsApp, but at least 3 months those messages should be off, should go. And I have a video on this, how to maximize space on your mobile phone on WhatsApp to remove the auto download of pictures and videos. You will check it out. If I remember, I'll put a link, a card on this video. Okay, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Please let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Anything that I've left out, please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos about tech, business and investment tips. Alright, and turn on that bell notification because me, I don't have a real schedule like every Monday or every Tuesday I upload. No, just whenever I have what to upload, I upload. So turn on the bell notification so you will know whenever I upload a new video. Alright, see you next time. Bye.